for this video, I am going to teach you how to convert a PNG image to a vector using Photoshop. So this is pretty quick, and the first thing that you need to do is to import your image here in Photoshop. Now, once you have done that, on the right hand side of your screen, select your image. So before you select it, just make sure first to hit the Control key on your keyboard and select on it. This will highlight your image just like so. Once that happened, what you need to do next is to select this rectangular marquee tool right here and right click on the any part of your screen and select make worth path from the options that you have. Now, so a small window will appear, and for the tolerance value, you just need to set it at 1.0 and hit OK. And then once that happened, select the selection tool on the left hand side. Make sure that you have selected the direct selection tool here, and then once you have done that, right click again. Once you click on to your image, then you'll have this create vector mask option as a first one right there, so hit that, and then that will create a vector layer or vector image for your PNG file. So now let us test that out. Just hit enter on your keyboard and let us try to zoom this in. So once you zoom in to your image, then you'll notice that it is now not blurry, as you can see. So that is because your image is now vectorized. So I'm just going to resize this again. Now, once you have done that, you can now save your image by going to File, Save As, and select the format that you want to use for your image. So I'm just going to do that and hit Save. So that's it for this video. That is how you can vectorize your image here in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.